snoring. Simba snoring. What he do is Big Mel with the future XXL pit bull, man-made Simba, man-made kennel Simba, son of the Hulk, world famous Hulk. That big old body, man. That's him snoring after eating 2 leg quarters. He's out of there. He's out of there, YouTube. How swole he is. He is out of there. You hear him snoring? Every single time he snores. Man-made kennel Simba. And yes, this is a trunk rug out of a car. And you can see where he's at on it and how long he is. And that's the end of it. See how thick his arm is. You can see my fist to his paw, or to the side of his paw. Look at this. And I'm a big man. Look at this. He really is a true lion cub. He is the Simba King, son of Hulk. Yeah.